In today's video, I will show you 10 beautiful 5-petal flowers using the one-stroke technique. Each flower has a different petal style and color combination, and they are very easy to practice. Welcome back to my 30 days one-stroke painting series. On day 3, I practiced different petal strokes, and petals you see in today's flowers are actually based on those strokes. For this painting, I am using 150 GSM black paper. Flat brush number 8. Deer foot brush number 2. Liner brush number 2. For the first flower, I am loading the brush with light blue and cobalt blue. This flower has a round 5-petal pattern. I gently press the brush to form the petal and then lift it slightly at the end to create a soft rounded shape. After painting all 5 petals, I outline the flower with white to highlight the edges. If you are finding brush loading difficult, make sure to watch day 2 of this series, where I explain brush handling and double loading in detail. Finally, I add a yellow center, using the deer foot brush. Here I'm using light green with liner brush. For the second flower, I am using a white and lemon yellow combination. The petals in this flower are closed and slightly overlapping. This gives the flower a full and compact appearance. Sometimes when painting with acrylics, the strokes may look thin or slightly transparent. If you want a stronger color, you can repeat the stroke over the same area. But sometimes those transparent strokes look beautiful, so you can also leave them as they are. To finish the flower, I outline it with white and add an orange center. For the third flower, I am using yellow and orange. These petals are a bit sharper and slightly pointed. While painting each petal, I add a small twist to one side of the stroke to create a soft wave. This gives the flower a more dynamic look. For the fourth flower, I am using cobalt blue and white. This flower is painted as an inverted flower, meaning it looks like it is hanging downward. The petals have a heart-like shape. I paint 2 petals at the bottom and 3 petals at the top, which creates a 3D hanging effect. Add a thin green stem using the liner brush. For the fifth flower, I am using white and crimson. While painting the petals, I gently curve the strokes inward on both sides. This creates a soft folded effect in the petals. Finally, I add yellow in the center to complete the flower. For the sixth flower, I am using light purple and dark purple. The petals in this flower have a cone-like shape. Each petal curls slightly inward, making the flower look three-dimensional, almost like small tubes or cones. Then I add a yellow center and outlining with light purple as highlights. If you want to improve your one-stroke painting, I highly recommend practicing the previous videos in this series. Those lessons will make these flowers much easier to paint. For the seventh flower, I am using white and light purple. These petals have soft wavy edges. While painting, I gently twist the brush to create the wave pattern. This makes the flower look very soft and delicate. Then add a small orange center. For the eighth flower, I am using white and crimson again. This flower has simple heart-shaped petals arranged in a 5-petal pattern. To complete the flower, I add a thin green stem and yellow center. For the ninth flower, I am using yellow and dark red. This flower has sharp, twisted petals. For the 10th flower, I am using light blue and dark blue. These petals are painted in a folded style, so the flower looks slightly closed like a bud. This creates a layered appearance. Then I add a small stem to finish the flower. And these are the 10 different 5-petal flowers painted using the one-stroke technique. In the next video, I will be practicing leaf strokes, which will help us complete more complex flower compositions. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this practice helps you improve your one-stroke painting skills.